Shruti back again, and guys, of course आपको उस वीडियो के टाइटल से तो पता ही चल गया होगा कि what's new about this video. So guys, आप सोचते हैं मैं हमेशा प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू या कलेक्शन के बारे में वीडियो बनाती हूँ, बट दिस इज समथिंग न्यू. अब आपको गूगल प्ले पे सौम्या स्टोर्स की एप्लीकेशन मिल सकती है. सो गाइस, प्लीज इंस्टॉल इट. इट्स अ वेरी बेसिक ऐप एंड it's very new, and it's in development still. There will be some updates in the future, but yes, it will give you a good experience of checkout. um, and of course, it's when you have an application, it's very easy to purchase anything from any store, be any different online shopping platforms. So guys, मोस्टली आपको जितने भी सोमा स्टोर्स के लिस्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो उस पर मिलेंगे. नॉट दी रिकमेंडेड प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम अमेजन, बट येस the products from Soma Stores itself. So guys, do check out the app. I'll be adding. आगे जो आप वीडियो देखने जा रहे हैं वो है सौम्या स्टोर्स की गूगल प्ले पे जो ऐप है. So guys, it's available for Android users only. So it's still not available on the Apple iPhones. So guys, please stay tuned and check out the video ahead. Stay. और as I told you कि ये ऐप सौम्या स्टोर्स की ऐप के लिए है. So guys, here we are. You can search it on Google Play, right? There are two stores. One is Western, one is Ethnic. So here we are searching Soumya Stores, My Passion, My Fashion. So let's install this. Right. Till then, you can check out the screenshots. Right. So let's open it. Okay. So here we are at Soumya Stores, My Passion, My Fashion. Fashion at its best. So you can check the first page here. Right. You can check the collections from here. You can also log in from here. Right, and create your account. Okay, let's go there. These are the basic information, right? So, okay. You can also log in from here and create account. So, okay. I should log in with it. So let's जब हम यहाँ पे टैप करते हैं पर्सन पे, so you can also check your account history and the account details. Okay. Let's go back. Okay, you can check the products from here itself under She Fashion, right? Under dresses and jumpsuits, there's a segregation, then outerwear, then bottom wear, then footwear, right? She accessories, there are two of these collection. Then He Fashion, then He accessories, and both, that is unisex fashion, and the recommendations. Under that, She recommendations and all the heads you can check out from here, right? You can tap on any of these, right? These are my Amazon finds and the recommendations which I recommend. He recommendations, smartwatch and smartband, sorry. That too, She smartwatch, and unisex and smartband. There are some digital or hybrid smartwatches which are specialized for men's or females differently. So yeah, right. These are the featured products and masses collection, smartwatch Amazon finds, and of course the women's collection from Somya stores. Here you can check the reasonable and trendy fashion, right? And these are the Amazon finds and all the recommendations. Okay, let's go check this one. This is up to 70% off She Backpack Amazon finds. You can check featured best selling alphabetically A to Z, Z to A, low to high, high to low, old to new, new to old. So let's check old, new to old, right? And you can also check the price range. The highest product here listed is 2075. And this is same for all the collections, that you can check the highest price range so that you can set the price range, right? Right. So it's a very simple app. You can check the currency here, right? So there are tops, tees, there are tops, tees, and shirts, dresses, jumpsuits, right? Um, Jeans and jeggings, skirts, shrugs, winter wear, watches, earrings, hair accessories. Yeah, and under bags collection, clutches, sling bags, handbags, tote bags, backpacks, office bags, wallets, and portly bags. And these are the recommendations. The and collection made for Amazon bag finds, newest bag, Amazon finds free premium watch, Amazon finds premium dress, Amazon finds newest dress, Amazon finds free winter wear, Amazon finds up to 70% off She Backpack, Amazon finds 50 to 70% off on women's winter wear, Amazon finds 70% and more off on She Sports shoe, Amazon finds. So these are all the recommendations you can check out. Okay, let's check this collection. When you tap on this product, you will get this button and we'll tap on it. You'll be redirected. Okay, so as you can see, the price is updated, right? So as you can see, the prices are updated. It's very up to date. There can be slightly difference. Okay, these are he recommendations. He sports shoes, Amazon finds. He premium watch, Amazon finds. He premium sunglasses, Amazon finds. 50 to 70% off on he walking shoe, Amazon finds. Okay, this is he clothing and footwear collection, shirt and t-shirt collection, he bottom wear collection, he outerwear collection, he footwear collection, he sunglasses, and he watches. Okay, this is unisex fashions, unisex sunglasses, bags and wallets, unisex wearables. That is smartwatch or smart bands. Okay, so this is the all collection, and this is the featured collection here. So I hope guys you like the products. And here under featured products you can see, check out the featured collection of denim dresses. So I hope you like it. So this is Sommer Stores, my passion, my fashion, fashion at its best. I hope you like this app. It's very simple, right? You can chat with us, and of course you can log in, and whenever you order there will be one order history. So, and okay, one thing more, if you don't know, cash on delivery is available. So okay, I'm just showing you right now. Okay, okay, you can continue to payment. You can continue to payment. You can offer razor pay or cash on delivery. So let's go for this and complete my order. You can also change the billing address, and it's done. You can tap on it and put your number here. You will get the updates. Right. You can tap on the logo and you will be redirected to the home page. So guys, this was Soumya Stores, my passion, my fashion at its best. So I hope you like this video and stay tuned. Thank you.